After I finished making this hat and looked at it, I call this one Bird in the Storm. Because eagles and prey birds, when the storm comes, they don't hide. They go directly into the storm. They use the storm as fuel. And that yellow outline represents electricity, the lightning. It represents the power of just going into the storm. And then the eagle makes a break in the cloud, and you get a moment of freedom. You overcome something and you feel good. And remember, just create.